YouTube apparently fucking thinks fucking that I'm breaking copyright laws by allowing people to listen to music. Again, I'd like to inform you that copyright laws are there to stop people from making money off of other people's creations without their consent. I am not making money. What I am doing is classed as free advertising, not copyright. Oh, you're making videos and publicly fucking advertising them, but I am not getting paid for it. It is not copyright. Because I am not taking credit for those creations. I am just, well, doing no fucking different than fucking someone that would fucking sit there fucking talking about their favourite songs. And now that that is out of the fucking way, I'm going to get back to fucking business. What's the nature of heavy metal? Most people will fucking take it, fucking, they associate it with awesome fucking drum beats, amazing acoustics, a lot of screaming, and cranking up the fucking volume. But the reality of heavy metal, what the real nature of heavy metal is, none of this emo shit. None of this fucking emo shit that fucking all these little images of the fucking world want to fucking pretend they're all about heavy fucking metal. That's emo. There's nothing fucking emo about it. You're a fucking wannabe. What I'm listening to is Racer X. Technical fucking difficulties, baby. There's a reason fucking why the oldies used to say to fucking people, treat your instrument like your lover. Because their fucking instruments were an extension of themselves. They're conduits for expressing their hearts. Emotions. When they looked like they were orgasming on stage, it's because they actually fucking were. Their instruments were their lovers. Quite literally. Not in the sense that they'd fuck their instruments, dirty bastards. In the sense that fucking every single fucking time they plucked those fucking strings on their fucking guitars, it was like they were with their one true fucking love. Foreplay. And why they always scolded everybody that was into music for the look what I can do factor. You haven't got a fucking clue, mate. They played their instruments like they were making love to their partner. Treated it with love and respect. And it played some seriously fucking beautiful music as a result. Bum 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 bum. So let's get down to it. What's the real nature of heavy metal? It's a religion. And that's why your emo shit is not heavy metal. Because the legends were all Christian. Growing up in a fucking world when people still took Christianity fucking seriously. Feeling rejected, abandoned due to the sheer fucking amount of abuse they'd fucking endured at the hand of their society. They rebelled. They were rockers. Just like fucking everyone else, but they were also religious. And everything that they were fucking expressing was their disappointment and heartbreak towards the religion that raised them. Amy Lee is a metalhead. Evanescence was no fucking different to the oldies. Expressing their disappointment fucking at the society that raised them. Their heartbreak at the feeling of betrayal. For being outcast. And in their hour of fucking despair, these fucking people reached a state of enlightenment. Despite fucking all the drug abuse and rebelling against society. Sex, drugs, and rock and roll, baby! It wasn't about the sex, drugs, and fucking rock and roll for them. Although they fucking enjoyed it. They were just rebelling. Embracing the fucking image that was put upon them for rebelling against a society of Christians. So when they started calling it the devil's music, they let it stick. And it became an image to the fucking point where today people don't even fucking realise that what it's all about. Heavy metal. Oh, is the music of believers. And the reason it's called heavy metal is because metal is a spiritual element of the Chinese zodiac. That Wiccans will like to fucking say is part of their religion, and it may be part of your religion, but you are not the creators of that religion. You're just a modern day incarnation of fucking things that have been copy and pasted throughout the centuries from the Chinese zodiac. Every religion known today was copy and pasted from two books. The Chinese zodiac and the zodiac. Coupled fucking with the original fucking pagan religion of ancestor worship. Heavy metal is not an emo thing. It's a religious thing. And metal is the element of battle. There are 5 elements in the Chinese zodiac that Wiccans have fucking put in their fucking religion when that was born. They are metal, wood, water, fire, and earth. Metal being the element of battle. Wood accompanies it. It's a element of creation that tends to fucking accompany battle. Earth symbolizes peace, harmony. Water is life. And fire is change. That tends to fucking come in fucking along with battle and creation. The 5 elements of life. Whereas in the fucking Greek zodiac, there's only 4 elements. Earth, air, fire, and water. That's why it's called heavy metal, because they were all believers that felt rejected by society. And embracing their devil worshipper label, they called it heavy metal. After one of the elements that was Labeled as a symbol of Satan worship. You emo fucking people fucking see it as an image. It's not a fucking image. Heavy metal is a belief. Born from enlightenment. Enlightenment of the fucking true fucking nature of all these fucking books that tried to control the world. It is a religion in itself. All of you fucking emo fucking people are all just drunk on the fucking image of that belief. That's why they always fucking called you wannabes and kept fucking telling you off, because music isn't a look what I can do factor. That's not what fucking heavy metal or fucking music in general was ever about. It's not a look what I can do. The instruments were an extension of themselves, expressing their emotions, their beliefs. You don't get it at all. That's why the vast majority of the fucking old-timers, almost every song they fucking ever made was centered around those beliefs of theirs. Black Sabbath especially. Black Sabbath, Ozzy Osbourne. A lot of them, they were all fucking believers. Believing in a higher plane of existence. They all believed in the spiritual fucking plane. Whereas to all you emo fucking people, you don't believe in the fucking spiritual fucking plane. You're just drunk on the image. A lot of fucking people fucking use fucking heavy fucking metal as a means to rebel against society and cause trouble. You know, this is fucking what fucking is... This is what we're all a fucking about. Rioting in a hotel room, smashing the place up, burning it fucking down. The only reason the old timers ever fucking did shit like fucking that is because they were traumatized by what fucking their society did to them. Not fucking because they were troublemaking little fucking brats that wanted to make a name for themselves. And yet it's true. It was an aspect of their fucking lives. Heavy metal born of their belief systems. Rebelling against Christianity for abandoning them. They fucking heartbroken. They turned to drugs. Sex, drugs, and rock and roll. Their music was their only fucking means of keeping themselves fucking sane from all the fucking torment that they'd fucking endured. Expressing how they were fucking feeling, while at the same time fucking trying to suppress it fucking by doing fucking drugs to take the pain away. Failing fucking to suppress their trauma. They lashed out, smashing fucking up fucking, hotel rooms. It became their image, and you started doing it just to look cool and amazing. Heavy metal is a religion. A religion centered fucking around all those outcast by society. returning to old fucking beliefs condemned by Christianity. That all stems fucking back to an ancient fucking time when people fucking believed in the zodiacs for what they actually were. Doorway. A spiritual fucking center between science and religion. And you fucking image lovers think you're fucking heavy metal fans. If you were heavy fucking metal fucking fans, you wouldn't be drunk on the fucking image of looking cool. You'd be capable of showing some fucking respect. You know, because if you had any, you would have already fucking figured out that the only reason they fucking smashed up a fucking hotel room was because they had mental health issues. Not because they were fucking drunk on causing fucking trouble to make a name for them fucking selves. You just don't get it at all. Highly recommend if you want to fucking learn what heavy metal truly fucking is, assuming you've actually got a heart and not a, you know, just a black pit of fucking desire that desires to look fucking, well, cool. Then I highly recommend you listen to the legends. Ozzy Osbourne, Black Sabbath, Racer X. Symptoms of the Universe, especially, by Black Sabbath. Pretty much sums up the nature of heavy metal and all of us that fucking truly love it. Technical difficulties, which is what I was just listening to. Well, if you ever fucking saw the fucking old timers fucking looking like they were orgasming on stage, it's because they fucking were. Their instruments, like I said, were an extension of themselves. They said fucking to people to treat your instrument like your lover for a reason. Because when they played their fucking guitars, they handled their guitars, their instruments, no different than how they fucking treated someone that they were making love to. and Technical fucking Difficulties by Risa X. That is fucking making love. Start backing off the fucking tune with a little bit of foreplay. Get you in the fucking mood. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Now we're getting down to business. Not done yet. A little bit more foreplay. Climax. Ah, you're screaming my name! The true nature of metal. is love. Both the positive and the negative. It's not about looking cool. It's not a fucking about, look what I can fucking do. Or pretending to be something you're not. It's expressing true love. They loved their guitars just like they loved their partners. They loved their guitars, they loved their fucking drums, and they loved every bit of fucking music that fucking they made with them. That's why it wasn't all depressing, angry shit. Some of it was heartfelt, soppy shit. Like Symptoms of the Universe. And Racer X's technical difficulties of fucking orgasm. And I'm right there fucking with you. Because I love the sound of that guitar. Sex, drugs, and rock and roll. The saving graces of a traumatized spirit. The rock and roll expressing everything that they need to get off their fucking chest. That nobody wants to fucking listen to unless it's making them money or making them feel better. The sex so they can fucking feel fucking loved. And the drugs so they can bury the pain. Curiosity killed the car. What's my excuse? Why do I understand it? Because I love music. I don't just love heavy metal. I love rock. I love heavy metal. I like the occasional bit of rap. I like pop music. Classical music. Game soundtracks. I love music. Dance music. Love a bit of Robert Miles. Spice Girls. Beethoven. Mozart. I love music. The only condition for me to love it is fill it with heart. I know most people fucking associate the metal fucking element with Wicca, but Wicca is not its original. Not its original creator. The Chinese zodiac is where it originated. Where all religion comes from. Ancestor worship. And psychology. Which is basically what the zodiac is. Both versions of it. Psychology. Except the thing that they're studying is themselves. And the metal element being centered around battle. Because the way of fucking life at the fucking time was full of conquerors. Metal being a key center of their way of life. The way of the sword. Which is why they called it heavy metal. Their battles against a society that kept rejecting them for refusing to fucking die. So next time you want to fucking call yourself a heavy metal fan, ask yourself if you're a believer. Because if you're not, you don't truly love heavy metal. You love the image. Absolutely fucking amazing. Like I said, Evanescence is heavy metal. Amy Lee's fucking Christian. Went through a fucking period of her fucking life feeling outcast and fucking rejected fucking by the society that raised her. Just like the old timers. And the reason Evanescence was so fucking popular was for the same fucking reason that they were fucking popular. Because every bit of music the fucking they played was filled with fucking heart. Expressing their, well, torment towards the fucking society that raised them. So before you get drunk on the emo fucking image that you associate with today's fucking heavy metal, try connecting to its roots.